Hello guys, this is HiTech Talk. So Instagram has added one more new sticker to their Instagram stories section. So that is food order. So this sticker was basically available in few countries like USA and some other countries, but now this sticker is added in India also. So to use this sticker, you need to click on this camera icon here. You need to select any photo, like I will select this photo now, and you need to click on this sticker icon here and you will see the option as food orders. So just click on this one. So here you need to add a food partner link, like for example, like you can add Domino's or whatever you want to add. So for now I will add for Swiggy. So after entering, you need to click on this tick icon here. So as you can see, processing. So this is how you can place. As you can see, this is added here. So if you want to change the color, you can change it in this way, and after it is done, you can click on done and you can post it in your Instagram stories. So this is posted. Now we will check how this look for other users. Okay, so I will open my another Instagram account. Okay, so I will search for this account. So this was an account where I posted this story. So I will open this story. So you can see this is how it looks. So if I will click on order, you will see the option as order food and add sticker to your story. So if you will click on order food, so this website will open. So if you will click on add sticker, this will be added to your Instagram story. So this is how this sticker work. So I hope this video is useful for you. So thanks for watching this video.